Good morning student, this is your computer class. Today we learn chapter number 6, presentation software and special effects. Okay, firstly I want to tell you about that what is presentation software. Presentation software is defined as computer programs designed to allow the user to present information in an engaging way such as with text, pictures, sounds and videos. PowerPoint is a good example of a presentation software. Okay. In this chapter, we studied about working with an inbuilt templates and themes, changing background of a slide, spacing between paragraphs, inserting objects, pictures, clip art, bird art, shapes, smart art and so on. Now let's begin. As a good practice, you should plan the flow of content. Main points you wish to focus on: text, images and videos. A presentation is always more effective when it's attractively designed and formatted. Okay? After the draft, you may begin the presentation by choosing the built-in templates or themes. Built-in templates means these templates are already built. Okay? We just have to choose that templates. Okay? Now, inbuilt templates. Templates act as a blueprint for a design theme of the presentation. It is a predefined arrangement of different elements. Templates include the layouts, colors, fonts, effects, background styles and so on. Microsoft PowerPoint. MS means Microsoft. Microsoft PowerPoint also offers a number of different types of inbuilt templates, though you can create your own custom templates. These templates help save time on creating multiple designs for various tasks. To apply an inbuilt templates to create the presentation, follow the steps. Step number 1, start MS PowerPoint application. Step number 2, click the file menu and click new. The available templates appears. Step number 3, in the searchoffice.com for templates search box, enter the required search criteria. For example, enter document. A list of theme templates appears. Okay, this is the themes of templates. Okay, students. Step number 4, select one of the given templates. Step number 5, click the download button. Okay, a PowerPoint presentation file appears with each slide displayed as per the selected templates. Got it? New presentation with templates. This is the new presentation with templates. Okay, if you choose to select it from available templates and themes, select the theme and click the create button. Okay, select the theme and then create button. Enter the required content and save the presentation. Got it? Now no more. In Microsoft PowerPoint, a template is a special file with the extension .potx. Okay, with the extension .potx. However, you can use a regular PowerPoint presentation file as a theme or template. Got it? Now themes. A theme is a predefined combination of colors, fonts and effects that can be applied to the entire presentation to give it a consistent professional look. The default office theme consists of a white background. Okay, default office theme, which color? White background. Calibri font and black text. Okay. Each document theme consists of 3 designed elements: theme color, theme fonts and theme effects. A set of 8 coordinated colors used in formatting text and objects in the presentation. Got it? Now fonts, a set of coordinated heading and body font types. Now effects, a set of coordinating formatting properties for shapes and objects in the document. Okay. Now you can apply or change a theme anytime while working on the slides, but remember it affects the slide layout. Got it? Now to apply a theme, follow these steps. First, on the design tab in the theme group, select a theme. These are the theme, whatever you want, so you select. Click the drop down arrow to access more themes. However, over a theme to see a live preview of it in the presentation. Step 3, click a theme to apply it to the slides. Got it? Now no more. If you apply a theme after creating the presentation, the text boxes and placeholders may move depending on the theme you choose. Okay. Therefore, it is advised to apply a theme before you start building your presentation. Got it? Firstly, you choose the theme and then apply your building your presentation. Okay. Now modify a theme. You can change the colors, fonts or effects that are assigned to a document theme. You can mix and match theme colors, these fonts and these theme fonts and theme effects to meet your needs. Now first, changing color scheme. The color scheme of a theme is a pattern of color providing to make the presentation visually effect. Microsoft PowerPoint features a number of inbuilt color schemes that you can apply. In Microsoft PowerPoint, you can also modify an existing color scheme or create your own. Okay. To change the color of the theme, follow these steps. On the Design tab in the Variants group, click the More icon. For the drop-down menu, click Colors. These are the menu. Then you can click Colors. Okay. Got it? A list of themes colors is displayed. Place the cursor over the theme colors to preview the change on the slide. Now step number 3, select the required color theme. Now no more. You may create your own blend of colors. For the current scheme, click Create New Theme Colors at the bottom of the color pane. A Create New Theme Colors dialog box appear. Specify the required color and click Save. Okay, these colors is showing. So whatever you want, so you can choose and then save it. Okay. Now changing theme fonts and effects. Similarly, you can change theme fonts and theme effects on the Design tab. Select the fonts or effects that you wish to use. The changes will be applied to the presentation. Okay. This is the theme fonts and this is the theme effects. Got it? Now changing the background of a slide. A background of a slide can be considered as a wrapping sheet. It is the first thing of audience notice. To apply a present background, follow these steps. Step number 1, on the Design tab in the Background group, click the Background Style down arrow. Okay. The background style drop down list appears. Step number 2, click the background you wish to apply. The selected background is applied to the presentation. This is the background style. Okay. Now format your own background. To format PowerPoint's preset backgrounds, follow these steps. On the Design tab in the Background group, click the Background Style down arrow. Okay. From now, step number 2, from the Background Style drop down list, select Format Background. The Format Background dialog box will be appear. This is the Format Background dialog box. Okay. In this here it is written Solid Fill. Fills the background with one solid color or transparent color. And then Gradient Fill fills the background with a gradient that gradually changes from one color to another. Okay. Now Picture or Texture File fills the background with a graphic file or texture. Now Pattern File fills the background with a pattern of the color of your choice. Got it? Step number 3, select the option and best matches the background you want to create. Depending on the option you select, a variety of other options appear. Now step number 4, make your selections and click Apply to All. Else click Reset Background button. Got it? Preset Colors drop down list. This is the preset colors drop down list. Got it? Now spacing between paragraphs. If paragraphs are too close together, okay, or too far apart, adjust the spacing between paragraphs. Now select the paragraphs on the Home tab. In the Paragraph group, click the dialog box launcher. This is the Paragraph dialog box launcher. Okay. The Paragraph dialog box appears. You can adjust the spacing before and after a paragraph. Before, add some space. Add space above the selected paragraphs. Now after, add space below the selected paragraphs. These are in centimeters, so you can give the space to paragraphs. Okay. And this chapter, I finish here, and next topics I will provide you in next video. Okay, students. Thank you and stay safe and stay home. Thank you, students.